Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my DIY racks for refrigerant tank. Here they are. It's well fitted there and no annoying sounds when the vehicle is moving or sudden brake or acceleration. Let's make, guys. I just cut marine plywood here and the size is 3/4. I'll sit with 34 refrigerant tank will sit on it, and I just aim on and cut by using jigsaw. Now I cut the first one and it will fit. So the cut one, I'm going to measure the another 3, and there is it. All you have to do is cut also. The reason we're going to make this one is because of the annoying sounds when this refrigerant is put on the vehicle without racks. So if you want to imitate this, guys, no problem. If you want to upgrade or make better than what I'm doing here, so just share it so our Caprion or and spot technician will do what we're going to do here. And this is DIY, guys, and one of our team, they use racks made of steel, and there is annoying sounds when the vehicle is moving. So mine here is made of wood, and needless to say, guys, no sounds is you can't hear annoying sounds when you're inside the vehicle, and that car is well organized because they have a drawer inside the baggage area. I'm going to put a support here, support reinforcement, because the weight of the refrigerant tank may damage this portion. The refrigerant tank is weighed 13 kg to 12 kg, and I'm going to put 4 refrigerant here. And we're almost done. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's does it. Okay, it fits. 134A, it fits. R22, it fits also. And for the R404, it fits also, guys. And the last but not the least, the 410A, it all fits, guys. If you like to imitate this wax, you can do it freely, guys. Here are they now. Later we will install this to the service vehicle, which is the ground max, and here is it, guys. The refrigerant is seated under here, and let's go inside. Here they are, guys. It is well seated there and no annoying sounds when the vehicle is moving. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Until next time.